In this video I'm going to show you how to create Dolch sight word bingo cards using Bingo Card Printer, which is software you can download from bingocardprinter.com. Okay, this is what the program looks like when you start it. So first of all I create new bingo card project. Now I choose the type of project that I want to create. I can choose one of their pre-set up projects, for example geography bingo cards with names of countries, or a history bingo cards about the American Civil War, but I'm going to start off with a blank bingo card in this particular case. Now if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I can use this box here to type in items for the bingo cards one at a time and make completely customized bingo cards, but instead I'm going to use this option here, add multiple items, to quickly add lots of items to my bingo cards without a lot of typing. Now here I could add the items one by entering them one per line, but I can also paste them in from a word processor or a PDF or from the internet. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to open my web browser. I'm going to go to the website dolchsightwords.org, and I'm going to look for, say, the first grade Dolch sight word list, and then I will scroll down. These are of course words that students need to be able to recognize by sight rather than sounding out when they reach first grade level in K-12 education. So what I'll do is I'll highlight this list of words here, and I'll say copy, and then I can close my web browser, go back to the Bingo Card Printer program, right click and say paste, click add, and my 41 items are added, and I now have my first bingo card ready to use. This is obviously just an example with the word shown. Now I could snazz up these bingo cards by adding some colours and fonts, so let's add some colours. I'll add a light blue background with checkered with yellow and a green heading, and I'll say yes, that looks very nice now. So there's my example bingo card. Now I'm ready to print. Now first of all, choice I need to make is, do I want to print a call list? That's the list of items on the bingo cards in a random order, ready to use by the bingo caller or the teacher in this particular case. So I'll have that. How many bingo cards per page? I can choose 1, 2 or 4. Obviously if I choose more bingo cards per page, the bingo cards will be printed smaller, but I'll save on paper. So let's stick with 1. And now how many different bingo cards do I want to print? If I have a very large number of students in my class, I can enter a very large number. So for example, if I had 250 students in my class, I could in fact enter that and print it out in one go. But in a more realistic situation, let's say 25 different bingo cards. And I'm ready to go now. So I can now say print, or since you can't see my printer, I'll show you print preview, and off we go. There's my call list, all the words in random order, and if I now click next page, there's my first bingo card, and that's what it would look like. And if I click next, you'll now see the second bingo card, all the words in a completely different order, and third bingo card, fourth bingo card, and so on. And that's really all there is to it. It's very straightforward, very easy to use. Download the software, try it for yourself, bingocardprinter.com.